On my birthday. On my birthday refers to the specific day individuals celebrates the anniversary of their birth, typically on to indicate a price, date, or day. It signifies the 24-hour period of celebration, such as in I received many gifts on my birthday or on my birthday. We have a feast. Usage examples and context. Celebrating. I always enjoy spending time with my family on my birthday. Specific dates. My birthday is on October 15th. Actions. I usually treat myself to a nice dinner on my birthday. Synonyms and related phrases. On my special day refers to the birthday itself. When I was born, on my date of birth, used to refer back to the actual day of birth. For my birthday refers to actions or gifts associated with the day. Examples, I got a watch for my birthday. Key usage rules. Always use on the specific day on my birthday. Use in for months or years in October in 1990. Avoiding saying in my birthday, which is grammatically incorrect. This is Vanessa Vigas Daily Vlog. Thank you for watching. Until next time.